Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to enable quick launch in OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of the phone, then swipe up. You need to click on special features, then choose quick launch. Now enable the quick launch. You can change the icons for the quick launch. You can choose with any other apps, any other things. So to access the quick launch, you need to lock the phone. When you press the fingerprint, press and hold after locking, it will automatically launch the quick launch. You can access from directly. So again I tell, after you unlocking phone, you need to hold some time, it will open the quick launch. So you can set this quick launch with any Google Pay or Paytm apps in order to open the QR code immediately, or you can open camera, any other things from quick launch. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.